What's up, everybody? Alexandra here, and before we get into today's video, I do want to put out this little disclaimer. If you're here for an honest review and or my honest opinion and maybe a good laugh along the way, because today's box laughable at best, then you've definitely come to the right place. However, if you are here for somebody to hold up products and be like, this is amazing, I don't know what this is, but it's amazing, then you have definitely come to the wrong place, and the exits are here, and here. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. You know what I'm saying? All right. So if you're ready to get into today's video, let's get just into it, because holy cow. All right, you guys, today's video is about all I can do is just keep laughing because, oh my gosh, this is bad. This is so bad. All right, so if you've been following me on Instagram, you already saw the clip, but let me give you a little backstory. So I know you're looking at me like, hold on, I thought you unsubscribed from that box. And you're probably right in thinking that, because I thought I did too. However, you can't just get on and like unsubscribe through your account. You have to either call them or email them. And every time I tried to call them, they were closed. So I had to email them, and my email got undelivered, or it was undeliverable. Undeliverable, that's what it was. So either way, my card got charged $23 and this thing showed up, which I'm kind of glad that it did now, because I really want people to be aware of this situation, because I'm a little disgusted with what Allure is doing right now. So a girlfriend of mine a couple weeks ago sends me a message, and she sends me this right here. And if you guys are looking at that, you're thinking, okay, there's nothing wrong with that. And you're right, there's nothing wrong with that, except for all the products on that page that they're showing for a $200 value box for $23. So that was all the products from last year's box. So everybody was thinking that those were the products that they were going to get in this month's box, which they had gotten in like last January, last February, last March's box. And they were like, hold on, those are the products we got it when it was a $15 box. Now it's $23 and you're going to give us the same products we got last year? Hang on. But no, they actually did it even worse, you guys. They did a bait and switch. So let me show you the products that you actually get in your January box, because they don't look anything like that, all right? So, all right, so obviously you pull that out, and we're going to do a count here at the end, and I'm going to add this all up for you guys, and I'm telling you, it don't even come close to $200. So the first thing you get in here is this little thing right here, which is by Manny Me, and you have to actually get on their website and scan and take pictures of your fingers here and use this little code so that they can make these little nail stickers and send them to your house in 3 to 4 weeks. Now, it doesn't charge you anything. I did go through the process just to double check and make sure it wasn't going to ask for my bank card information or anything like that. So this does actually work. For those of you guys wondering, you can do this. You don't have to put a bank card in there. Just put in your little Allure code. It's specific to you. But most people aren't going to go through the trouble of doing this, because it did take about 10 minutes to go through this little process of taking pictures, and you have to take your pictures holding your hand like this. And I'm like, really? All right. So that was product 1. All right. Product number 2 is this right here by the Beauty Crop. And this is a blush duo. So this retailed for $25. It says $30 on here, but when you actually check out, it's $25. So that's $25. This Beauty Crop blush, if I can get it open here, is $10. So this is what the blush looks like. It's a blush duo. And so you have what looks like a matte blush and then a cream blush. And I'll show you guys what they look like. But the matte blush isn't very matte, like when you actually swatch it and apply it. And the cream blush, like, do you see how that applies? Like, and I had like a ton on my finger there. So yeah, it's not applying very well. It applies very patchy. So that was the blush duo right there. So this was $10. The next item in here is from L'Occitane, and it's the Immortelle Reset Nuit Huel serum. I will say this much, the serum does look really, really cool. Can you guys see like the little floaty things in there? It does look really, really cool. Now for a full size of the L'Occitane serum, it is $59. I'm going to say this is about maybe $10. We'll be generous and say $15, okay? But usually Allure gets these for free. Let's be honest here, okay? Then the next thing we have in here, this is from Base Blue, and it's sad, you guys. This is so sad because these sponges are actually really, really good. Like, this is what their full-size sponge is. It's like, really, Allure, you're that cheap? Like, you're that cheap you couldn't even afford the full-size makeup sponge? I mean, there's plenty of room in this box. You could have definitely fit it in this box for sure. It would have fit. Like, come on now. Like, what am I to you? Cheap date? Like, come on. The next thing we have in here is from True and Luscious. And, oh, by the way, the Base Blue, mini Base Blue sponge was $7. Keep adding, ladies. All right, next thing we have in here is from True and Luscious. And this is a hyaluronic acid vitamin C super moisture lipstick. I will say I did already try this out. I'm not a big fan of it. I was kind of excited. This was like the one product in here that I was excited for. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. The color is really pretty, but I just wasn't a fan of it. It just kind of felt a little gritty on my lips. And I will say this, I have like super sensitive lips and I do put on a lot of lip balms throughout the day. So maybe it was because, you know, I'd been wearing a lip balm all day and I put it on over top, but my other lipsticks don't feel like that. Let me know down below if you received this box and got this lipstick, if it felt gritty to you too, because it just, yeah, it felt kind of gritty to me. It wasn't, I mean, like it even feels gritty like on my skin, like when I swatch it. So I can feel like little, you know, it's not like super, super gritty. It's just a little bit, but it's still, I don't like that on my lipsticks. And then the last product, oh, sorry. The True and Luscious lipstick is $22. And then the last product is by our favorite people right now, Saturday Skin. Boy, they're just hitting all the boxes this month. And this is the Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. And you guys know how I feel about peel gels. This is like one of the worst things that you can do to your skin. I feel, in my opinion, and my dermatologist and esthetician's opinion, they've said the same thing to me, because it does so much pulling and tugging at your skin and it's not worth it. Like, people, I know a lot of people like it because it like gets out, you know, junk out of your pores, but I mean, you can use a BHA for that. Like, don't destroy your skin with this. Please don't. Okay, so that is everything we got in the box. So let's go ahead and add this up, you guys. I mean, so the $28 Saturday Skin, right? Then the L'Occitane, like I said, we'll be generous and give this a $15 price tag, but it's not $15, okay? But we're gonna be generous. Then you have this right here, which says $30, but when you check out, like, because it gives you like certain ones that you can get, it's $25. So it's $25 for the thing and $5 shipping, which is weird because it's a nail sticker. So $25 price tag right there. All right. So we got 28, 15, 25, 22 for the True and Luscious, $10 for the Blush Duo, $7 for the Base Blue Sponge. You guys, this box totals at $107. $107. But on their website, they're saying that you're going to get over a $200 value, $200+ value for $23 a month. Allure, quit lying to people. And then if you look at next month, like if you scroll down underneath that, after it shows you what kind of crazy products you're going to get, which they look a lot bigger and a lot nicer on their website, when you scroll down, this is February, you guys. And guess what we got in February last year? I mean, like, I'm just saying, like, I couldn't make this up. So I will definitely be calling them. And the worst part about all this is, listen, when I opened this up, I laughed so hard. Steve was like, what are you laughing at? So I'm like, all right, look, he normally doesn't do these boxes. He doesn't normally get in all this. I'm going to play you guys the clip where I handed him this box and I was like, you tell me, as a guy who's watched a few of my unboxings, do you feel like this is worth $23? This is what happened. Everybody, this is my fiance, Steve. Steve, you do not know shit about makeup and boxes. You don't know anything about it. I'm going to hand you this box. You've never seen anything inside it before, right?
Nope.
Okay, so I'm going to hand you this box, and I want you to tell me if you think this box is worth $23.
Saturday Skin. What is that? Is that a sponge? It's fancy. It's a fancy sponge. Let's see, what is this?
Hold on, I gotta show you this though. This is the regular size of that sponge.
This is. How much is this?
I don't know.
Brush dupe.
Do you think that the contents of that box, as many of my unboxings that you've watched, do you think it's worth $23?
Oh my god, this is awful. No, not $23. No. Is this what you spent $23 on?
I mean, it's sad when a male that doesn't know anything about makeup, anything about beauty, just watches a couple of my videos, knows that this is not a $23 box. Like, in no way, shape, or form. I would even be a little upset paying $15 for this, considering the products that are in there this month. I mean, you couldn't even afford to get the full size. Come on now. And these are good sponges. Like, what are you going to do with that besides poke your eye out? Like, come on. All right. That is everything I got to say about Allure Beauty. I'm sorry, Allure. This is bad. This is really bad. And people need to know I loved you so much for so long. And I've sent so many people your way. But when you are doing crap like this, no, baby girl, this is bad. This is called a bait and switch, and I'm not okay with it. You guys will be hearing from me tomorrow morning, like no joke, because this is not good. It's just not okay. All right, so that is all I have for you guys for today's video. Definitely stay tuned because I got another video coming up, and Steve's going to be a part of that one, and I'm just saying, you guys are really gonna like it. So make sure you're definitely here for that. Don't forget, I will be posting a video this weekend, same time, same place, and then on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Love you guys so very much. If you haven't entered in my Instagram giveaway that I currently have going on, make sure you do that because that is getting ready to end very soon. And then we will have our next giveaway coming up on here. Oh, and also I wanted to let you guys know, I want to do something new this year where I am drawing randomly. I've made 2 lists, and I've had these 2 lists ever since I started my channel, but I guess I'm going to be a little more public about it. So I have my I love you list, and that is like all of my awesome, amazing, loyal subscribers, those of you guys that are still watching right now because you watch every video from beginning to end and you comment down below and you comment every time and I see you and I want to say thank you. So I am picking one of you guys every single month and I am sending you some goodies. So this month we picked Steph's Beauty. We'll pick a new winner, a new person, new I love you winner in February, and I'm going to have one every single month throughout the rest of the year. So there's that. But then there's also my crap list, my FU list, whatever you want to call it. And these are the people that are not so nice in the comments. They kind of get a little And then what's funny is they turn around the next giveaway that I have and they enter. And one of these people's names came up recently on a couple of, well, I guess it was like 2 giveaways ago. And thank God I had that list because I was like, hang on, why are you on this list? And I typed in and look, and when I can type in any subscribers' names and it'll come up a list of all of the comments where they've commented on every video. It'll show me every single one so I can see how many times they comment, when they comment, and they've only commented when there's giveaways and or that person commented on that one video that they got it was really nasty comment. It was a really rude and nasty comment talking about my teeth. And I'm like, you really have the audacity to enter my giveaway every single time. That's the only time you comment, unless you're talking about my teeth. No, I redrew another person. I'm sorry, but that is the way it is. Like, it is the way it is. I'm not doing it anymore, you guys. 2021 is gonna bring out a new me. You know what I'm saying? Like the me that I want to be, the better me, you know? All right, that is really for real this time, all I have to say. And yeah, stay tuned because we got lots of fun stuff coming up and I'm kind of excited. See you guys.